Hello friends, mga kaibigan. So, may package akong dapating galing from Lazada. So, in-order ko to since June 12, yung 6.12 na sale. So, ito yun. So, tulungan nyo ako paano to yan box. Tapos, malaman kung anong nasa inside sa box. Okay. So, ito. Dumating na siya. Nakabalot. Maayos naman pagkabalot. Tapos, merong COD payment protection. So, let's unveil what's inside this box. Okay? So, yun. Subuksan na natin. Gamit muna tayo ng counter para malaman. Okay. So please open the surface inverter. So stay on this video to know what's inside. Okay. Oh, so damaged box. So may butas yung box niya. Ito is galing from Lazada. YAMATO inverter welding machine, the value series. So it's right. Let's see the specs. So, IGBT digital welding. So ayos yung pagkabalot. Special box for welding machine. This is the welding machine. Okay, so the box is very rugged. Then meron lang damage yung box siguro pag transport. So yun. Okay, so sa gilid, so ito YAMATO inverter welding machine. Okay, so let's open what's inside. Oh, first is the few welding rods. Round 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 welding rods. No specifications. First is the welding rod. So I will share the link below on where did I purchase this on Lazada. By the way, this is not a sponsored video by Lazada. So, gumagawa lang talaga ako ng unboxing para malaman ng ibang buyers na anong magiging bibilhin nila in the future as reference. So, here is the YAMATO welding machine. So, inside merong welding. Then next is the welding goggles. So yan, welding goggles. And what's inside is a strap for the welding machine. Then the welding machine is very compact. So yun, ito siguro is a welding machine. Ito yung accessorized box. Another box in the box. So what's inside? It says welding machine YAMATO. So what's inside? Let's see. Oh, yun. Cable. Okay. So let's dissect it. What's inside the box is the welding cable or the rod cable. Dalawa 2 pieces po siya. So yun, made from a very the clamp is very strong. Yes, very good deal. And the wire is gauge at 16 mm. The terminals are very well crimped. So yun, ganda yung pagka-crimp ng terminal niya. Tapos ito, handle siguro ng shield. So meron din face yung shield. Okay, removable yung handle niya. So lang tayo, ano, hindi ko pa nakita kung saan yung glass nito, pero meron namang kasamang goggles sa purchase ko kasi sinab ko sa as package. So yun, tapos merong steel brush na meron ring pang hammer. Ito steel brush, pero ano lang siya, for beginners, not for heavy duty. And the cable is rated at 16 mm. Yes, the cable is 16 mm and it's a little bit short. For the ground cable, 1 meter. 1 meter. So if you plan to use this, yung mataas, better purchase the long cable. While this rod thing is medyo mataas siya. So measure lang natin. Okay. 2 meters long for the rod cable. Then for the machine, yes, few manual certificate, product certificate, and manual. Then the machine. So okay. So the plug is still rounded, so you cannot just use it in a regular socket. So you need an adapter from round to flat to be able to use this. And this is the inverter IGBT welder. So rated at 300 amps. Yeah, YAMATO brand. Then next is the cover. There's a nice cover in the surface. Then yung knob niya for adjusting the current is very good. And also LCD for the current ampere rating. Okay, very good, very light, and you can see there's a very light welder machine. And also the switch is at the back. The cable is also very short, so around 1 meter. 1 meter. So you need extension wire for these to use. And there's also a fan behind the machine, and also the grounding. So that's very useful. So for the functionality, I will discuss this on another video. So this is just the unboxing. So hopefully you learn something. And for the goggles, this was purchased separately, so included na lang siya sa package. So maganda yung build ng goggles, although parang silicone plastic, tapos dark red. So very good. Then also you can flip para mas madali tingnan kung from dark to light. Kaya yan. Okay, so this is the, and inside the manual, 14 pages manual and troubleshooting. Dito rin makikita yung safety, operational control connector, then maintenance and troubleshooting. Then yes, basically the instructions are written in English. So okay, so let's test this on another video. But this is a very light welding machine compared to the one that we're using before, which is a transformer type, very heavy. And okay, so guys, thanks, and thank you Lazada for this welding machine. Okay, I will link down below where did I purchase this in Lazada together with these packages, so you can search it. Okay, thank you and bye.